move to my left, but if I did that I'd have that great big this great big monstrosity in front of me. So right. Well, on radar got a 321 TC. Okay, TC, and Olympus 321 as well. Ah, yes, yeah, I've got him. Privilege style 767 to Verona. Sweet! Where's she at? She's hiding behind the old terminal buildings over there. We'll see her pop her head out. Interesting to see that that TUI Dreamer. Looks like they're catering it, so that's possibly up for departure a little bit later on. But we do have, of course, let's see if we can find. Oh, I got something inbound. Oh, look at this! Qatar! From Doha to Birmingham, arriving in 20 minutes! Ha ha! Oh man, unfortunately, I don't like to say it, but it's all going to be members who are going to grab that and see what else is way out. Let's just have another look. Okay, I've got a little Turkish 737 inbound, currently just north of Sofia, or Sofia, sorry, Sofia. Oh, Emirates A380, literally, by the looks of it, is just over New Delhi. Is he just, no, sorry. He's just on the northern tip of Saudi Arabia by the looks of it. Arriving in 5 hours 49 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Well, we can't not show that to the members. We can't come all the way to well, I say all the way to Birmingham. We can't come to Birmingham, you know, and not. Look at this. This is quite rare. This is another newbie for Big Jet TV. Yeah. Yeah, probably. Yeah, some kind of. Remember Olympic Airways. Flowers in her hair. Big Jet TV main page, hitting that up. In your own time, son. Right, let's just grab all these comments. Let's grab comments. Oh, he did he? Oh, brilliant. Okay, Walter's in the house, finally, after much frantic keyboard action overnight to get him in. Brilliant. If you're listening, Walter, welcome. Okay, just trying to get, there we go. Oh, I had two hash browns. This was at the McDonald's because breakfast was like 13 quid, and I was like, forget that. So up at 4:30, out the door at 5, straight down to McDonald's, which is actually in the opposite direction, but only about a 5-minute drive into Coventry. I went to Coventry, 2 hash browns and a bacon roll, which they very kindly overcooked for me, so I didn't have any flibbly bits on it, and it was nice and crispy-ish, with brown sauce. Finished off with two coffees, one while I was there and one for while I was en route. McDonald's is always open. checks in the post, eh, McDonald's? This guy's rolling already. Watch a little bit of... Look at this runway, man. I've seen less abrupt whoop sections in a supercross track. There's the first jump. Now he'll go light as it tracks. There we go, there we go. Now on the upslope. Yeah. Right. Seems like we've got a whole family of Tweety birds. Right, hold on. Stand by, GP. Oh, that's hilarious, man. Where is it? It's not here, is it? That's funny. It's okay. Yeah, I have. It's in the van. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Really special effort to get a little fellow out here. He's been left behind again, hasn't he, eh? Been left behind again. Don't forget me. I want to come through. Okay, well, that's just not going to happen, is it? So we're on the main phone, that's fine. Hello there. Oh, there we go, look. Ladies and gentlemen. You've got live shows starting soon still, yeah? Okay, let's go PTC now. Okay, remove. I'll tell you what, actually. Stand by, GP. Let's run titles, yeah? Are you ready to run titles? Yeah, Callum Hodgson, Olympus X Monarch, as if you couldn't tell that from their livery. Okay, run titles. We're going to get some great action here today. You've been watching Big Jet TV. And out from the mist. Hey, how you doing? Good morning, folks. It is the weekend show, and it's Saturday morning, and a very warm welcome to Big Jet TV. Birmingham. We're at Birmingham, and this is Freeview. Sorry, I've just been for a walk to clear a little bit of dead foliage, I have to say. Got to make sure that you're aware that it is dead foliage and not live foliage. Flipping heck. Anyway, yeah, fantastic conditions here at Birmingham. Thank you, oh Lord, for giving us this decent conditions. We were kind of expecting some gusting winds to show you a bit of sideways action, but even so, it seems to be that this this runway kind of like has always got some side wind to it, so the landings are sort of like a little bit squirrely, should I say, a little bit of sort of like that kind of action going on, which if you're a regular flyer you'll be used to with as soon as they touch down. Sometimes there's that, you know, as he's adjusting with his feet with the rudder just to bring the aircraft nice and straight, or keep it nice and straight. So yeah, we're going to be here for, well, quite some time actually, till the batteries run out. We're definitely going to get the A380. It's 5 hours away, still quite some time out. We've got the Qatar Dreamliner inbound any moment now. Now inbounds, guys, if you haven't seen it already, what you would have seen last night on the promo is it's pretty spectacular, I have to say. And of course the runway is very irregular and very uneven, and so it's a bit like a whoop section. So we're going to get this one going out now. Enjoy yourselves. You've got 20 minutes of free view, and then we're going to cut to our channel members. If you want to become a channel member and watch all of our exclusive full-length shows, as well as all the other shows like the one that we did in Madrid a couple of days ago, where we were with our channel members for the whole day, in baking conditions, it has to be said. My legs were toast by the end of the week, by the end of the day. Anyway, here we go, folks. Enjoy. Okay, GP. Right, okay, so I don't know why I've got that. Okay, we don't need that headset. Right. Okay, another little insect by Flybe Dash 8 Q400. So he's sort of like on just at the low point of the first up. There we go, look at this coming out. Look at this coming out. Oh yeah. Is it? Oh, that's a shame, man. Well, we've got to do it, man. We've got to do what we've got to do for channel members. Let him go. Okay, well, run the 15 minutes, run up to the 15 minutes, and it is what it is, unfortunately. Slightly bit like an F1 start there, slightly off centre. No. Yeah. In your own time, son. Formerly Elmdon Airport. Elmdon Airport. 7 nautical miles southeast of Birmingham city centre, Birmingham, with the Peaky Blinders from. So this is a flying instruction base as well. as a commercial base, which is quite interesting. Passenger throughput, albeit only 2017, 12.9 million. 7th busiest airport in the UK. It's pretty good to see and hear. Domestic and international, as we know. Here we go, he's rolling. So he's coming to the first upslope, and then just after that upslope, might get a bit of moisture off the runway there. Yeah. Wow, it's a spectacular shot, man. Three of you are going to get one big one. That's good. Oh, privilege flying for TUI this week. Stevie McGuinness. Thank you, Stevie. And Stephen McGuinness, of course, I've got to give a big shout out to you, mate, my friend. Thank you so much. We really appreciate yours and everybody else's support. Wow, look at that. Debbie Speller. Fu Manchu is in the house. Good morning, Robert Colborne. Sternymans. Now, Sternymans, I'm guessing that's Dirk and his crew. G'day, Dirk. Mark Beckett, Eds Wadsworth, Kate Harpley, Chris Bain. Guys nearly rolling. Debbie Speller, Mark S. Good morning. Let's just have a look here. Kalend, Mario Sultana. Wow, great. Jumpere! Good morning. Caroline Blair, Shelley Vitalik, Debbie Speller. Jose! Now that's Jose, the guy who gave me a lift in Madrid, isn't it? Jose Gabriela Orduna Villa. Or Villa. No. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, did he? Okay. Sorry, Jose. You're the other Jose from Mexico. From Mexico. Is it not? It does say Jose, man. Oh, right. So I'm imagining that one will be operating for possibly one of their Dreamliners, or even possibly on temporary lease due to the 737 MAX issues, possibly. One will not know for sure unless... oh, we have our first arrival. Here we go, folks. Here we go. John Fisher, good morning. So, Sarah Purvis, yes, Jose, tuning in from Mexico. G'day, John Fisher. Stephen Billings, Callum Hodgson. Nick Kofode, good morning. Is this the Qatar, potentially? Isabella Smith. John Shervington from a sunny Melbourne. G'day. Jason Greb. See lots of new names here, Jilly, this morning. Lots of new people have signed up over the last few days, and of course on YouTube. Stevie McGuinness, Caroline Blair, Jason Greb, Stewie Taylor, Phil Loxham, Zombie Tog, Mark Jones. Hello, mate. Yeah, we've got the Qatar Dreamliner in here. What's your name, fella?
Andy.
Andy's here.
Come to see how my money's being spent.
Hey, yeah, he's come. He's a shareholder. Here we go, Qatar's Dreamliner inbound. Here we go, folks. This is a bit of a bonus for the free viewers, of course. Richard Lewis, Michael Doherty, Ashat Bandari, Saj Lokat, Jahan Sishahal. Good morning, Jeff Hughes, Sandra Graver, Saj Lockett. Right, here we go. Dreamliner inbound. Did he slap that down or what? Boom! How about that? That was pretty spectacular, man. Imagine what the 380 is going to look like. Yeah. Oh, fair play, man. Don Moody's just got back from an Iron Maiden gig. So that was... is that an 800 or a 900? It is an 800. Thought it was. It looks a little bit squatty, doesn't it? Oh, there's that one. I'm going to have to get rid of that one little schwab there. That little schwabbery. Bit of schwabbery. Yeah, I know he's got a flower. Well, all I do is I just go and bend it. I won't break it. I'll bend it. No, it's easy. I just bend it. Got more right than we have to be there, put it that way. He, as if it's got flipping sex to it. Wow, this guy's absolutely flat out. This is low as well, this is low. Yeah! She's smoking. CFM 56s. Come on, son. So yeah, wind's picking up a tiny bit. What else have we got? Let's just have a look here. Right. All I'll do is I'll just quickly nip down there and that it? Is that better? Lovely job. So he can spring back into action later. Okay, here we go. Right, okay. 4 minutes and counting for free viewers. Obviously expecting things to pick up. I've got another one inbound. Ryanair. Oh, this is going to be good, isn't it? Ryanair 737. So that will be quite interesting to see. The Irish traffic is on its way. Aer Lingus A320 in new livery. I've got a Q4. Oh no, ATR 72 in from Cork. That's inbound. More aircraft over France. Swiss 320. Oh no, look at this. A Swiss A220 is inbound. So a lot of good stuff to come. There's another one making its way. Bonnet de Douche, a little Airbus 318. Fantastic. What else we got? Now we've got some stuff on radar, which is, yeah, I've got 3 aircraft. Oh, that will be the Qatar. I've got a Jet 2 737. No destination on there at the moment, and I've got a Thomas Cook KTC 321. Again, no destination, but lots more to come. Oh, is it? Oh yes, it is. There it is. Dalaman. Chris Bucket. Good morning. Wendy Meredith. Scotty Adams. Rob Shepherd. Phil Henderson. Good morning if you're a new member. And good morning wherever you are in the world. Hope you've had a good evening, and maybe just waking up to Saturday, as they will be. What are they going to be? Hold on a minute, let me just have a look here. So in Perth, it's 2:04. It's 2:05 in the afternoon in Perth. Around about the same time in Singapore and Kuala Lumpur. Los Angeles, it is just past 11 p.m. So good time in general across the globe. So wherever you are in the world, hope you're enjoying your evening or your day. It's Rob Humphreys, Derek Helton, Matthew Campbell. What a view that was. Yes, indeed, it is. It is a great view. I mean, I think, to be honest, in terms of straight down the runway view, there is no better view. There is one shot like this kind of from Manchester, but certainly not as spectacular. You only get to see half of the runway. They will dip below. Right, we're going to give you this one last landing, folks. And of course, head to the website bigjet.tv to find out everything about what we do here at Big Jet TV, and find out about all your members. Also, just to let members know that now we've adjusted it, the YouTube channel, so you can now just go straight in and view all of the members' shows once we've added them all, of course. Yeah, okay. Members only playlist coming up, so you don't have to go searching. 737 from Ryanair is going to look spectacular when he touches down. See, there's that sort of lurching. You can see him using the rudder there. And obviously once that reaches a certain velocity, then that'll switch over to manual or the not manual, but the hand crank steering. 737 on its way out. Is he unmarked? Eurowings. Okay. Okay, PTC GP. Okay, folks, there you have it. Thanks for viewing. Literally, we've given you nearly 40 minutes with the non-show piece at the front end, so no moaning now. Members, it's your turn, and here we go with what's going to be a bit of an epic show coming up right the way through till at least the Emirates arriving, I would have thought, which is just after midday. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 hours to go. Wouldn't go all the way up here and not get that for you. So, guys, thank you very much indeed. Enjoy the rest of your day. If you're a free viewer, again, like I say, if you want to come along and join us for the rest of the show, you're more than welcome. Just head to bigjet.tv where you can find out all the information on what we do at Big Jet TV, and of course how we put your money to work, and also the buttons are there to join Freeview. What is important is that if you're new to Big Jet TV, make sure that you go and subscribe, and make sure you turn on your notifications. So subscribe to the Freeview channel. All those buttons are right there on the website for you to check out. So enjoy the rest of your day. Be good to your animals, and we'll see you on the next show. And please, if you join up today, make sure you come in and say hi. I'm a new member, and you'll be welcomed warmly by all our current channel members, as well as myself. I'll give you a shout out. If it's your birthday, your wedding anniversary, or your dog's birthday, let us know and I'll give you a shout out. Okay, here we go. GP, go to members channel, please.